As a part of the PM Shri scheme, we have received different learning materials which enhances our overall learning experiences. So let's explore more about this.
Friends, do you know which festival is the Festival of Lights? Yes, you are right. Which part of Diwali is more interesting? Yes, fireworks, crackers and lights makes Diwali more interesting.
So, let us conduct an experiment that evokes the lights of Diwali.
Friends, do you know which element is this? Yes, this is magnesium, but in the form of ribbon. Do you know the symbol of magnesium? Yes. So, let us burn magnesium in the presence of oxygen. Let's see what's going to happen.
Magnesium is a metal. When magnesium is burned in the presence of oxygen, it forms a white dazzling flame. You can observe while it is burning. Dazzling flame is forming. This is due to the formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium and oxygen combines together to form magnesium oxide, which is a metallic oxide. Yes. Okay. Can you name one of the microscopic organism? Have you heard about amoeba then? Yes. Who can tell me more about amoeba? The remaining undigested material is moved to the cell surface and is thrown outside. Isn't it interesting? Yes. These are microscopic organisms, but these are very dangerous.
The first part of the microscope is the food or base. This region is known as the food. It is the base in which the entire microscope is standing. Now comes here the arm part. Here the arch region is known as the arm, and it is holding the body tube towards two type of lenses are directed.
If a driver wants to change the speed of his machine, he will adjust the gear, and according to it, the residual speed is given. So now let's see how a gearbox works. First, we will put it in the first gear. Currently it's moving slowly. And now by changing it to the second gear, the speed of the machine increases. And this is the same principle that is used in our cars, cycles and every automobile that we use.
Very special to share with you that is about new mathematical kit provided by PM Shri project by Government of India. This kit is filled with exciting tools and material designed to make learning maths more interactive and fun.
There's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. The laws of nature are written by the hand of God in the language of mathematics.
Be it nature, be it music, be it engineering or any walk of life, we cannot avoid maths.
Under PM Shri activities, our school has benefited a lot to help us understand and make use of maths in our daily life.
We have undescribable pleasure to have a lot of learning teaching materials to help us sail through this.
1 by 2. 2 halves make a whole.
One-fourth or quarter. 4 1/4 will make a whole.
Look straight, look straight. All of you should look straight.
Diagrams are good for spatial reasoning.
Time and tide wait for no man. In the same way, to help us know the value of time and to keep ourselves disciplined and up to date, we have the clock to guide.
If we follow the time in the dot, it will keep us ahead of the rest.
Mathematics and music have been closely connected throughout their interplay, visible in various aspects of rhythm, harmony and structure. In the context of Indian music, particularly in the system
2192. 72,000.
hope that every problem has
cylinder with me. Really? You have it right now with you? Yes, I do. Oh, then can you demonstrate it for me now? Sure. So now we are going to understand the concept of relationship between cone and cylinder with the help of the kit provided by PM Sri Initiative. Are you ready? Yes. Well, before that, can I ask you a question? What do you mean by a volume? Oh, that's a simple question. Everybody knows the measurement of the space occupied by an object is known as the volume of that object. Yes, you are right. The volume is just the space occupied by something. Let it be cone and cylinder of same base, height and radius. So, the activity is very simple. Firstly, I am going to fill the cone with water. So, I am going to fill the water and transfer it down in the cylinder. So now tell me, Adya, what do you notice? Well, only a small portion of the cylinder is filled. Yes, which means that we have to continue the process until it's completely filled. Now let's do it once again. Do you notice any change? Yes, now more portion is filled than the first time. Then let's try again. And do you notice anything? Yes, now it's filled up to the brim. Yes, so what we have seen is that the volume of a cylinder is thrice to that volume of a cone. Oh, so the volume of a cylinder is thrice the volume of a cone with same base and height? Yes, that's why the volume of cylinder is pi r square h and the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Pythagoras theorem. Can you tell me more about it? In mathematics, Pythagoras theorem is a fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry. This helps us equal to the sum or square of the other two sides. Pythagoras theorem has become a fundamental concept in mathematics.
The formula is altitude square plus base square gives hypotenuse square.
Yes. Hope you all.
Good morning, everyone. We have seen the basic concepts of maths. Now let's talk about something more complex, that is trigonometry functions. Today I am going to be talking about the two most important mathematical functions, that is sin x and sin inverse x and angle x. The graph of sin x forms a smooth periodic wave that oscillates between -1 and 1, repeating every 2 pi units. This wave-like behavior is crucial in various fields of science. For instance, in physics, sin x is used to describe the wave motion such as sound and light. In engineering, it models alternating current models. And in astronomy, it helps calculate the positions of celestial bodies and forces of tidal waves.